You ever been in a restaurant and totally blanked on what to order even though the menu's right there? That's happened to me way more times than I'd like to admit.
Oh, absolutely. Actually, I find it kind of fun trying to decide between old favorites and something new. By the way, I'm excited to join you for this episode.
Glad to have you here. Today, we're diving deep into English conversation at the restaurant, not just ordering food, but handling real situations.
So, listeners can expect to learn how to ask for a table, order confidently, deal with mistakes, and even give feedback, all in natural English.
Stick around, because we'll walk you through typical phrases, useful tips, and those awkward moments you'll want to handle smoothly. Let's start at the entrance. Picture yourself stepping inside. The host greets you. What's the first thing you usually say?
Usually, I say something like, "Hi, we'd like a table for two, please." It's polite but simple, and it gets the job done.
I love that. Adding please makes it friendlier. Sometimes, if it's busy, people ask, "Is there a wait?" or "How long will it take?"
And if you want a specific spot, you could say, "Is it possible to sit by the window?" It's all about expressing your preferences clearly.
Exactly. Starting with these small interactions sets the tone for the whole meal. Once you're seated, the next big challenge is ordering. Ever get nervous about pronouncing menu items or asking for recommendations?
Definitely. Sometimes I'll ask, "What do you recommend?" That way, the server can guide you and you don't have to guess.
I like to use phrases like, "I'll have the grilled chicken, please." Or if you want something changed, "Could I get the salad without onions?"
Being clear really helps. If you're unsure, it's perfectly fine to ask, "Can you tell me what's in the pasta special?"
And never underestimate the power of a smile when you're placing your order. It makes everything feel friendlier. So, what happens if your order arrives and something's not right? Like, say, you get fries instead of salad.
That's always awkward, but I've learned to say, "Excuse me, I think I ordered the salad instead of fries. Could you help me with that?" It keeps things polite and constructive.
That's a great tip. Being calm and respectful is key. And for allergies or dietary needs, you might say, "I can't eat nuts. Is there a nut-free option?"
Servers appreciate when you're upfront. It helps them help you and makes the dining experience safer and smoother.
Exactly. It's all about clear communication without making anyone feel uncomfortable. After the meal, there's still a bit of conversation left. How do you ask for the bill in a polite way?
I usually say, "Could we have the check, please?" Or, "May I pay now?" Both are friendly and straightforward.
And if you enjoyed your meal, don't forget to share it. Saying "everything was delicious, thank you" leaves a positive impression.
Even if something wasn't perfect, you can mention it gently, like, "The food was great, but the wait was a bit long." Feedback helps them improve.
Wrapping up with gratitude or helpful suggestions makes the whole experience better for everyone. Before we go, let's highlight 3 key takeaways. First, polite phrases are your secret weapon for smooth interactions.
Second, clear communication, especially around orders and requests, can help prevent misunderstandings and make your meal enjoyable.
Third, using friendly feedback while ending your meal leaves lasting positive memories for both you and the staff.
Try practicing these conversations aloud before your next restaurant visit. It builds confidence and helps you sound natural.
Thanks for listening. Now go out and make your next dining experience in English your best yet.